I think you all are safe and healthy, and you have given your test well. So today I am here to discuss with you solution of your weekly test. Your first question was, where are proteins synthesized inside the cell? So the answer is ribosome. RIBOSOMES. Ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis inside the cell. And you know that on endoplasmic reticulum, that is the very essential cell organelle of a cell, ribosomes are present on endoplasmic reticulum. And we have two type of endoplasmic reticulum. One is RER and another one is SER. RER contain ribosomes. Okay, RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum, and SER lack ribosomes since they are smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So I think first question is clear to you that ribosome is the site where protein synthesis takes place. Okay. Now let us come to the next question. How is a prokaryotic cell different from eukaryotic cell? Students, as we have discussed in our videos also, prokaryotic means primitive cells, though who are made in the earlier stage of the cell, isn't it? So the all the things are not defined inside the prokaryotic cell. The first one is they are smaller in size. Okay, the size can be from 1 to 10 micrometer. The next, single chromosome is present. The nuclear region was also not well defined. All we can say that they are not bonded with different nuclear membranes called nucleoids. Okay, nucleolus is also not present. It is also the part of nucleus. Then membrane bound cell organelles are absent, as you know that all the cell organelles are embedded with each other inside the cytoplasm. They did not have different separate membranes to get apart from each other. For example, bacteria and cyanobacteria. So what is the another name of cyanobacteria? That is blue-green algae. So let us come to eukaryotic now. The size generally very large from 5 to 100 micrometer. Okay, it is written 10. It is wrong. You will write 100 micrometer. Okay. Then next, it contain more than one chromosome. Okay, and the nuclear region are well organized and bonded by nuclear membrane, means all the cell organelles are separated to each other with the help of membrane. Okay, like nucleus is having its own membrane, nuclear membrane, and other parts are also aparted in it. Nucleolus is also present. That we have done. Next point, that membrane bound cells are present. Okay, then what is the example for it? Plants, animals and fungi all comes under this eukaryotic cell. Now next question is, which organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell and why? Powerhouse of the cell means wherever all the power related work, the release, the synthesis is done. And we know that mitochondria is the place in our cell which is called powerhouse. Mitochondria. MITOCHONDRIA. Okay, the energy required for various cell activities needed for our life is released by mitochondria, okay, in the form of ATP molecule. And what is ATP? I told before also, adenosine triphosphate, and it is called energy currency of our body. As you went to shop, if you want to purchase anything, in exchange of anything, what you give? You give money. Same way our bodies spend ATP to perform different functions of our body. So it justified that mitochondria is powerhouse of the cell, which where all the synthesis process are done, and the energy is released in the form of ATP. Now the last question, why are lysosomes known as suicidal bag? As I have told you, suicide means killing itself, isn't it? So the lysosomes kill itself. So therefore they are called suicidal bag. 1 marks question. And if you want to write in 3 marks question, then you have to explain that lysosomes contain some powerful digestive enzymes, and they digest itself all the matter content in the cell, and this process is called, the enzymes contain process is called acid hydrolysis, okay. And when it consume all the cell material, all the cellular component, that process is called autolysis. What is auto means self, lysis means eating itself. So lysosomes digest all the cellular matter kept inside. Therefore, it is called suicidal bag. It is very important for us. It detoxify our body by consuming all such type of matter which was not needed by our cell. So, lysosomes are called suicidal bags. I think all the questions are clear to you, and you will write all these questions like this. So many questions were also there in your chapter, that why leaves are called food factory of plant, like this, okay. So you should write all the questions according to 1 marks also and according to 3 marks also. So I think the test is clear to you. You need not have any problem in that. If you have still any problem, you can comment and let me know. Thank you and have a nice day.